Last day of Websummit. Today we are today we are entering we are going to the event a bit late because we had to do the checkout. So yeah, we arranged everything in our room. Now we are added. I only have a meetup at midday, so not not that late. Right now it's 11, so we are going to be there right in time, just in time actually. So hopefully today I'll do a lot of shots because since I'm enjoying the event and um, walking around, meeting a lot of people, trying to get to talk to investors, mentorship and whatnot. Uh, it's been hard. Sorry for the noise. It's been a little bit hard to to do everything at the same time, like record, be there, talk to people. Yeah. So I mainly focused on talking to people because I think that's the main purpose of Web Summit. I recorded some interactions that I had, which was honestly a good thing because I think it will make the channel a little bit bigger, hopefully. Um, yeah, so today we are going to do some video shoots. Don't know what I'm gonna talk about right now, but I will tell you a little bit about the event because the event is huge. It has like four to five pavilions. The last one is the smallest, but it doesn't matter. It's huge. A lot of startups, a lot of companies, a lot of people from everywhere, like literally everywhere. Not only from Europe, but United States, Brazil, Dubai, Qatar, like a lot of people from around the world, South Korea. Yeah. So yeah, today we are just going to the meetups. We will watch some talks, and I think the rest will be me doing shoots, showing off some booths that are in here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yesterday we went to Niantic. The booth of Niantic has AR glasses, the Snapchat glasses. We experienced that. I think in terms of experience was nice. It has potential, and I think we can do a lot more with that technology, maybe in the future. So, yeah. Right now, we are just going there. So, see you there, and hopefully everything will be alright. Bye. And now I'm gonna show you the way what you need to walk from the main entrance to the checkup, I think. Guys, we are going to the X-ray. Hopefully it will work out. So yeah, I tried again, but sorry, but today, oh yeah, indeed, but today it failed because they detected something in my bag, nothing that was compromising, but since I have my bag full with a lot of things like the computer and the power bank, they might detected something, and they asked me to pass it again. So yeah, yeah, but yeah, it's okay. So now we are going ahead to the main event. Not the main event, sorry, to the meetups. I think it's Portuguese CEOs. Then I'm not sure how it's game related. Next meetup is game related, and after that it's just a talk that I want to see. So yeah, hopefully everything will be all right. See you. A lot of food, a lot of things here. See, this is a lot of people. A lot of people come here to eat the lunch, and it's something because the event is huge. It's long. Yesterday we ate a croissant filled with pistachio. I know my pronunciation about croissant. It's funny because I'm trying to sound as French as possible. Yeah, it's from a local brand here in Portugal, Continent. So they sell them that at the pastry, and yeah, it's quite good. You should try it if you come here to Portugal. Uh, Not all of the continent hypermarkets have it, but if you find it, buy it and give it a try. PM is here, see, with an AI chatbot. I think it's an AI chatbot on an AI platform. Visa is also here. They brought an F1 car. Go ahead. A lot of people filming. Here you can see a lot of startups, some in the alpha phase, some in the beta phase. You can see here above it says beta. Basically, they are in the second level of a startup. When it says alpha, they are like in the beginning, like creating a company, like they are starting up. They have like an MVP. Here, I think the beta means they have like clients, some clients, and they are seeking funding as well as the alpha startups. So I'm not sure what this division is, but all of the startups are differentiated in terms of what area they are working on. For example, on the second pavilion, it's finance related, fintech, and AI. I think not 100% sure, but you have a lot of booths around around the pavilions and around the Websummit conference. Another part of like between pavilions, as you can see, pavilion two, pavilion one, we have some eating areas as well. So like people will accommodate along those, and at the left of the pavilions, like in the front of the pavilions, we'll have another dinner area that I will record. Some countries have their own booth and they have their own talks. I don't think I'm able to show you, but they have their own things. So they create their own talks to fill up even more the area. You have like I think in each pavilion you have like a startup related talks where people will show their startup, talk about it, sell a product basically, and you have like um, a lot of other things related to Web Summit event talks and whatnot. And you can see, I will try to show it. But as you can see from here, this these talks will be related to new energy. Okay, but at the other side of the event, I don't know if I will be able to show you, but I'll try. But at the other side of the same pavilion, um, you'll be able to see that the other talks that will be happening is related to fintech. Yeah, so it's separated with a lot of things. And I didn't show you, but the Niantic booth, it's there. I experienced with the AR glasses. You can do a lot of things, but you they only allow you to play with a pet that I'm going to show you. Sorry, with I'm going to show the trailer. Oh, sorry. Basically, AR glasses. And they are, yeah, you can play with the pet, you can pet it, you can throw a disc around, and that's basically it. Yeah. But you can do a lot more. This is just a platform that Niantic created, and they also have other things related with their engine, an application that you can scan. Sorry, that you can scan the real world and convert it to like FPX, whatnot, to export it to games. I think that's a great idea, and I think I will explore it. So yeah, that's it. I will be walking around and recording a little bit. Yeah. Another eating area, as you can see, it's protected from the rain because they were expecting to rain today. So yeah, this is the mentor hours. I tried to apply for it, but it's not that easy. I really tried. Yeah, but it is what it is. In this the pavilion 3, what you'll be able to see is basically some booths as well, some talks. I think this one is related to crypto mostly. Yeah, SaaS as well, SaaS, software as a service, startups. I think I passed by the investors lunch. I should have filmed it. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of things, a lot of people. Yeah, like they are everywhere with a lot of startup companies, a lot of countries representing their own startups, trying to shout out to them. Yeah, so they have like deep areas, they have like investors, chairpersons. Yeah, they have a lot of things, startups as well to talk to investors. I'm running a little bit late for a meetup. I'm going to show you the space. The meetup is related to Portugal CEOs. So I'm trying to find the meetup area. I'm not sure where it is, but I think it's close by. I need to see like a box where people are, and that's where the basically the event is. So let me walk around. Let me check where it is because I need to. No, no, it's not there. I'm gonna check the app. One sec. So yeah, we are reaching there. Basically, it's here. It's CEOs from Portugal. Not a lot of people, but we'll see. Okay, so here is the one of the most watched, at least for myself, one of the most watched conferences that I went to. Here is where investors here is where investors meet up with startups. Uh, I never had the chance to go there. Maybe next year. By the way, these are all of the companies that started in Websummit as well. Sorry, all of the companies that started in Web Summit. Some of them are really known, which is amazing that you can see that a lot of companies started here. A lot of big name companies started here, like Uber, Stripe, Revolut, OnePlus, yeah, GitLab, at least the ones that I know the most, which is amazing. Another thing that's here that I like a lot. Okay, this is it's the investors lunch. I didn't talk about it, but I met some investors, talked with them, asked for guidance, and they provided some information. Here's the Dubai booth, and all of the Web3 stuff, AI related, it's there. I went a lot of booths. It changes every day, but yeah, you can't go to all of them, talk with all of them. It's really hard. So, yeah. By the way, one of the things that you need to know if you come to Web Summit Lisbon is that all of the bathrooms are in the corners of the buildings. So if you want to go to the bathroom, don't forget.
As you guys noticed, my microphone died. And I was telling you about that the toilets in every pavilion in each corner. So if you come to the Web Summit event, you already know where to go if you need to go to the bathroom. The next thing that I will be talking about is that we were really exhausted in terms of walking because we walked a bunch, and I was kind of sick, starting to get sicker with the flu, and yeah, it was not good. And we had the chance to come home earlier because we had my darling there. Uh, uh, we were able to come home earlier because we had somebody there that could bring us to Porto, and we took the chance to come earlier because yeah, we were exhausted. Here I was showing you all the food booths, food trucks, and all the places that you could eat. There are a bunch of places inside of the event that you can eat that you'll see during the videos, but this was one of the main ones. It was a road from one point to the other full of food trucks. It was pouring rain. Yeah, and yeah, this was the last day, and the last day was raining only in the afternoon at lunchtime. So yeah, the rest of the event was really good, honestly, in terms of not raining, not being too hot, too cold. But yeah, I got sick during Web Summit because one of the days, the first day was really hot, and the second day was colder, really cold, and yeah, we didn't bring a lot of covers to the event, like a shirt. Yeah, so yeah, it happens, but it was a really fun event. I really enjoyed. It was an amazing experience, and you should come. But for me, it was time to go because we were really tired. We visited a lot of places, visited a lot of parts of the event, went to a lot of meetups, went talked and tried to talk with a lot of investors. And yeah, I think it was the end of the line for the day and for the event because we did a lot. We met up with a lot of people and we were really tired. So I think you guys can notice that the event was big with a lot of people, but yeah, it was really funny and really amazing to be a part of it. I really appreciate what they brand brought us. It was a really amazing experience. Don't be afraid of meeting new people and increasing your network because that's all the event is about. Here, I was telling you about the event, what we end up doing, and our expectation but versus the result of what happened, what we saw, what we did. Basically, to sum up, what we did this day during this last day was we met up with Porto CEOs, we met up with game developers, and we met up with blockchain enthusiasts. From all of those meetups, we made some connections, and those connections I still am in contact with some of them because I really appreciate having those type of connections and having other startups to talk to as well, and other people in this branch to discuss some type of ideas and to grow as well. Another thing that we also made was attending talks regarding AI, startup, and all the things involved in creating your business and growing your business. So yeah, it was really focused on that, and also blockchain. Some talks related to blockchain, Web3, and yeah, also one of the really important things that I end up doing, it was not today, the last day, but it was on the previous day. I had my first meeting with an investor. I was really surprised that I end up having that meeting with an investor, but it was really funny, the way that I interacted with him and got to get that type of interaction. And basically the way that it happened was it was in the investor booth, and I was asking him, hey, I'm sorry to bother you, but can you tell me a tip to talk to investors and to schedule a meeting with them? And yeah, the rest is history. But another thing is, related to the Web Summit event. I really appreciated the Web Summit event. And if you are shy, if you are afraid of coming, don't be. Come. It's a really fun and enjoyable place to be, and you'll meet up a lot of people. Um, all of the people around this event are here for that same reason, to make new connections. So don't be afraid to interact with people on the waiting line, because that's what happened to us, and that's how we got to meet up Luan and other people. So don't be afraid. People are really engaging in terms of if you reach out and whatnot, because people will be able to do that. And so don't be afraid of doing that. So I really appreciate everyone that watched all of the 4 episodes of Web Summit. And maybe next year I will come. I'm not sure yet if what I will do, but I really appreciate creating this type of content, and for Lisbon to receive us with everything that they have. It was a really fun time. We really enjoy, me and my fiance. So if you come with your girlfriend, yeah, wife, whatever, come. Don't be afraid, because it's a really nice place to be. A lot of knowledge is shared, and you don't need to be afraid to share your knowledge. So thank you. For shame. And that's the really cool part about this type of events, that you'll meet up people that have a lot of different backgrounds, a lot of different knowledge, and a lot of connections that you can make for the future. Like, and I think everyone should attend some type of event like this. This one is huge, and if you have the chance to come, don't hesitate. I'm really thankful for being here at Lisbon at Web Summit 2024. And next year, or the next years to come, while I will be attending Web Summit, I will no longer be an attendee, but I will be a beta, alpha, or growth, or any other type of startup, because I will bring my projects to life, and this is the step forward to the future.
Hello everyone. This is we are just saying goodbye to Web Summit. We noticed while we were here that the microphone did not record at least 2 out of 3 interactions that we had. We recorded a lot of things, and I will add in post like a voiceover. But I just wanted to clarify that we are saying goodbye to Lisbon, and next year or the next time I will come to the Web Summit, it will be a completely different. It will be a completely different thing. I will no longer be an attendee. I will come as a startup or anything else, but not as an attendee. And I will grow my business. I will come with everything that I can, and I will show them what I'm made of. Looking for some type of investment, and I just want to show the world what I'm capable of. So thank you for watching, and thank you, Lisbon, for receiving us, and Web Summit for the amazing event that you provide in not only technology but in everything. So thank you. Bye, everyone.